It's not about picking stocks. It's about picking the right portfolio.
Unfortunately, I didn't do it like you, and I have multiple shit companies in my portfolio. Yes, although you actually, with Playboy, you did. I know you just kept it in there to show what these shit companies do in this environment. Yesterday, two were offered a buyout at a very depressed price, LL and MEIP. The question is, where in the cycle do take under shitty buyout offers come? Thanks. So, it's kind of an arbitrary question. But.
Well, they come where they come. Yeah. I own a bunch of, I'm a bag holder in a lot of things. The question, you're like, I'm bag holding in a lot of things, and I'm hoping somebody just comes and buys them. And that's great. That's just not what I do. I mean,
the problem is a lot of times there's not nobody coming to buy them, right?
Yeah. See that. And if you don't, I mean, the answer is we don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
All right, Jack from NYC.
You could equally just say, like, look, let's look at some pieces of absolute turd or dog shit, like the Container Store or Allbirds. You know, names that you would, or Advance Auto today, AAP. You know, went from 230 to 112, and people go, it's done going down on valuation. Somebody's going to buy them. No, those are called value traps. So again. There are many, many more of those than there are takeouts this morning. Let's just be clear. There are a lot of stocks that just continue to defy. And this is a real education for people, right? I mean, you know, I've been through 3 cycles, 24 years of this, and I've not missed the bear side once. Okay? Now, you can criticize whatever you want. I mean, NASDAQ fully loaded with, you know, this most recent and epic bear market rally, still down 19% from its cycle high, and the Russell's down 28%. S&P is down closer to 13.5 or 14. You know, so again, it's where I started. That's all that matters to me. Wherever your bags are or wherever you started, that should be all that matters to you, right? But if you are holding bags, that's not my problem, right? In as much as, you know, it's not my problem if Telecom Tom wants to tell everyone that he wasn't calling for 4,800 on the S&P last year. I mean, what a joke, right? I mean, so again, it's where your money's at versus the decisions you made. And one classic mistake, and we review it quite often on the call these days, Jonesy, is value buyers to come in too early before the cycle's bottomed. This happened in 2001. This happened in 2008. This is happening again. I mean, there is a very long list, much longer, of new lows than there are these, you know, 4 or 5 stocks floating and ripping to new highs that everybody owns. So just understand that. If anything, that, and like I wrote yesterday in the early look, it's quad 4 everywhere other than those 5 stocks. Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.